to be an energy signal. E has to be a finite value, power has to be 0, power value should be 0. So in that case we can say that the signal is a energy signal. The signal is an energy signal. Clear? So these are the two conditions that needs to be satisfied. Now for example, we say that all the non-periodic signals are energy signals. That is just the example. We have already discussed about this. In 95% cases this is true, but again we'll have to check by calculating the formula, by calculating with the formula of energy and power, that it is energy signal or power signal. Second is, if the signal is a power signal, its power has to be a finite value. That is the first condition. Power has to be a finite value, and energy of the signal, of power signal, should be infinity. Energy of the power signal should be infinity. That is our second condition. Now we even say that periodic signals are power signals. Periodic signals are power signals. So these are the cases that we know. Now if the signal is periodic, if the signal is periodic, again we are going into the energy and power signal part of it. If the signal is periodic for infinite duration, like sine, cosine, these we already know that they are periodic for infinite duration. That is, there is no duration mentioned for what they are periodic. Clear? So they are periodic for infinite duration. In that case we can say that these are power signals, and directly we can start calculating power of those signals. But if it is given that the signal is periodic for finite duration, for particular duration of time, that is from minus t certain value to plus t certain value, okay? So in that case, if the signal is periodic for a particular duration of time, or if it is non-periodic, so in both the cases we can say that the signal can be a energy signal. It can be an energy signal, and we can directly start calculating energy of it. If you are getting a finite energy, then we'll calculate power. Power should be 0 in that case. So we can declare that the signal is an energy signal. Now there are cases that when the signal can neither be an energy signal nor a power signal. ठीक है, तो ये दोनों केसेस भी हो सकते हैं कि अगर पावर सिग्नल भी ना हो और एनर्जी सिग्नल भी ना हो, तो विल चेक विद द केसेस कि कौन सा ऐसा सिग्नल होता है जो एनर्जी सिग्नल भी नहीं होता है और पावर सिग्नल भी नहीं होता है. विल जस्ट सी वन बाय वन. ठीक है, टुडे अगेन विल सॉल्व फ्यू ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस बेस्ड ऑन दिस, बेस्ड ऑन द एनर्जी एंड पावर सिग्नल. क्लियर? Energy and the power signal. So we'll be performing questions based on energy and power signal again. First question, let us say xt is given by a cos 4t cos 60. 8 cos 4t cos 60. Now what formula will be applying in this? कौन सा formula लगेगा? Cos A cos B, right? That is cos A cos B. The formula will be applied here. इसके बाद the formula जब apply होता है cos A cos B क्या होगा? It will be, what is the formula of cos A cos B? Yes, anyone who remembers formula of cos A cos B? It will be cos A plus B.
A plus B.
Cos
A minus B.
Cos of 4t plus 60 plus cos of 60 minus 40. Let us take it as 60 minus 40 by 2. By 2 भी रहेगा. Correct? This is cos of 40 plus 60 plus cos of 60 minus 40 by 2. Now in that case this becomes 8 by 2 becomes our 4. This becomes 4, and this is cos of 10t plus 4 cos of 2t. Now we can individually calculate the power of these two, as we have already calculated in our previous class. The cos or sine has power a square by 2. So what is a here in this one? It is just 4. So if we have to calculate power, this is 4 square by 2 plus 4 square by 2. How much it is? कितना है? 4 square by 2 plus 4 square by 2. कितना रहा आंसर? It's 16 watts. ठीक है. So the answer is 16 watts. So this is how we'll be calculating, and if you have to calculate the RMS, it will definitely be root over it. Now we'll do the another question. Write down. Let us take xt equals to rectangular t by tau. Rectangular t by tau. Is it periodic or non-periodic? Is it periodic or non-periodic? Rectangular pulse, we already know it exists only for minus tau by 2 to plus tau by 2, and the value is 1 in between minus tau by 2 to plus tau by 2. So this is non-periodic. Clear? Definitely it is non-periodic. So if it is non-periodic, we'll try to calculate the energy of it. In these questions, we'll have to find whether the signals are energy or power signals. And if it is an energy signal, we'll have to find the energy of it. And if it is a power signal, we'll have to calculate the power of it. Okay? So as we have seen that this is non-periodic, if it is non-periodic, we can start calculating energy. We can imagine that the signal can be an energy signal, and we'll calculate the energy of it. How can we define this? This is just 1 for minus tau by 2 to tau by 2, and rest value is 0, right? So this is how we define. It is 1 for minus tau by 2 to plus tau by 2, and the rest of the values are 0, that is otherwise. So if you have to find the energy, what is the formula for energy? It is integration minus infinity to infinity x of t the square dt. This is the formula for energy, and we need to remember this formula. This is very easy. It's minus infinity to infinity integration x of t ka whole square dt. And if we just integrate it, it is minus infinity to infinity. The limits will change, right? Because our signal exists only for minus tau by 2 to tau by 2, and the value is just 1 dt. If you take the square, then also it will be 1. So what is it? It will be, kitna aega answer iska? What is the answer? It will be just, the value will be tau, right? So we are getting the energy as tau. Clear? So this is how we can calculate the energy. Now if we calculate the power, we have to calculate power also, and the power is limit t tends to infinity 1 by 2t. This is the formula, integration minus t to t. The integration limit is minus t to plus t, xt square dt. This is again same. Here when we calculate power, we apply limit t tends to infinity 1 by 2t. This becomes minus tau by 2 to tau by 2, and this is just 1 dt. Now since we already know this integration is just tau, this is the value that we have calculated. Now it has the formula, in formula it is 1 by 2t, and it is applying the limit t tends to infinity. So this becomes 0. Clear? This becomes 0. T tends to infinity, applying the limit to this one, 1 by 2t. This becomes 0. Hence, the signal is an energy signal. It is getting an energy. Energy ki value is coming out to be tau, and we are getting power value 0. So both the conditions are satisfied for energy signal, and hence we can say that the signal x of t rectangular pulse t by tau is an energy signal. Is this part clear, everyone? We just need to calculate both the things, that is energy and power of the signal, and then finally we can declare whether the signal is an energy signal or a power signal accordingly. Clear? Clear now, everyone? Anyone has any doubt in this one? It's clear, right? Reply, students.
Yes, ma'am.
Because these are very important part, and you will get the questions based on this ki energy signal or power signal hai ki nahi. Okay? Now next we'll have another question. X of t equals to rectangular pulse t by tau into sine of omega naught t. What is it? Is it periodic, non-periodic? Yes, I just want to be interactive. Just reply fast. फटाफट reply करते रहो. Whether it's periodic or non-periodic. Students, this is rectangular pulse. As we have already seen कि ये तो आपका periodic नहीं होता है. And this is a sine omega naught t. This one is definitely periodic, right? Now when these two gets multiplied, what are we getting? Whether we are getting a periodic or non-periodic, it will be completely non-periodic नहीं होगा. It will be periodic for minus tau by 2 to tau by 2. इस duration पे ये periodic होगा कि नहीं? It will be periodic for finite duration. That's a difference. Non-periodic नहीं बोल सकते. We cannot just call it as non-periodic. Should understand the difference. What I'm saying is this signal exists only for minus tau by 2 to plus tau by 2 and the value is 1. And this is sine, normally normal sine omega naught t. ठीक है? So this one will exist only for this value minus tau by 2 to plus tau by 2 और उस duration के लिए ही वो periodic रहेगा and it will not be periodic for the entire duration. ठीक है? So in that case also we can say that अगर वो non periodic है तो it may be an energy signal. ठीक है? तो इसमें भी हम energy calculate कर सकते हैं. It is periodic for finite duration and if we calculate energy for this also, तो ये जो आपका है ये sin omega naught t रहेगा. Integrate करेंगे minus infinity to infinity. This becomes sin omega naught t का square. ठीक है? dt. Because this value is 1, we know that. And this limit will change. It will change from minus tau by 2 to tau by 2. Clear? The limit will change from minus tau by 2 to plus tau by 2. Now we can again integrate this thing and we already know it's minus tau by 2 to plus tau by 2. What is sin square omega naught t? It is 1 minus cos 2 omega naught t by 2. This is the formula of sin square omega naught t. This is 1 minus cos 2 omega naught t by 2. Again we can bifurcate this thing. It can be written as minus tau by 2 to tau by 2 and this is 1 by 2 dt. Now this is minus tau by 2 to tau by 2. We can take 1 by 2 out and this can be written as cos 2 omega naught t dt. Clear? Now we already know that this value is 0. This value is 0 and if we calculate this one, we'll be getting E as tau by 2. So we are getting a finite value of energy. And similarly, if we calculate power also, power will come out to be 0. And hence again, the signal which is periodic for a finite duration of time is also an energy signal. This is also an energy signal. Okay? So this one is also an energy signal. We just need to calculate these things, that is the energy of the signal and the power of the signal, and then we can declare that the signal is an energy signal or power signal. And finally, we can write the value of energy also. Next is let me have x of t equals to a e to the power minus at into ut for a greater than 0. This is the signal a into e to the power minus at ut for all the values of a greater than 0. Now as we all know, this one is completely non-periodic. ठीक है? Exponential function is definitely non-periodic, right? This we all agree. Exponential is non-periodic. Hence the signal, because it is just multiplied by a, that is an amplitude, so it will be non-periodic. अब non-periodic है, then we can directly start calculating energy of the signal. Energy minus infinity to infinity a e to the power minus at square dt. This is taken out, इंटीग्रेशन माइनस इंफिनिटी टू इंफिनिटी e टू द पावर, ये क्या हो जाएगा, a स्क्वायर है तो it will be e to the power minus 2at, right? It will be minus 2at dt. Now after integrating it, that is e to the power minus 2at into dt. This step is clear, everyone? Is this step clear? Students,
Yes,
reply. Is this step clear? This is very simple, that I have just taken a out since it is a square of the signal, so it will be a square, and that is a constant value that will be taken out. Now this becomes e to the power minus 2at because it's a square value. ठीक है? Now this we need to integrate. अब इसको हमें integrate करना है. A square is as it is outside of it. ठीक है? This becomes after integration क्या होगा ये? e to the power minus 2at by minus 2a, right? The limit is minus infinity to plus infinity. Now what is the answer of this one? First tell me, बताओ जल्दी जल्दी कि क्या आ रहा है, e की वैल्यू क्या आ रही है? Do it fast. You can calculate this one. This one is very easy. E to the power minus 2a. Minus 2a will be taken out. This will be 1 by e to the power 2a. ये into infinity हो जाएगा. This will be minus 2a है तो 1 by हो जाएगा. Minus 1 by e to the power 2a into minus infinity. होगा ये e to the power infinity minus e to the power minus infinity. So what is it? This value will be 1 by e to the power infinity is almost like 1 by infinity. 1 by infinity value will be 0. And what about this? What about this? This is e to the power minus infinity. This value will be infinity, right? This value will be infinity. So it is exactly, what is it? 1 by e to the power, ये आपका 1 by e to the power infinity हो जाएगा, और this value will be in e to the power minus infinity, और ये e to the power infinity or anything, it will be what? Yes, tell me students fast. We are skipping one important thing. What is it? It is multiplied by ut also. It is multiplied by ut. तो क्या हो जाएगा ये? ut से multiply हो रहा है तो nobody is telling me this thing. ये क्या हो जाएगा? The range will change from 0 to infinity, right? Here we have ut also multiplied to it, right? This one is ut. तो ut है तो ये आपका चेंज हो जाएगा, और ये जो रेंज है this will be e to the power 0 हो जाएगा. Is this one clear? Clear or not, everyone? Tell me first. This will be e to the power 0, and this value will be just 1. E to the power 0 is what? क्या होता है e to the power 0 is? It is 1. So this value is 0 minus 1. This is a square by 2a. ये आपका 0 हो जाएगा पूरा. This value is 0 and this is just minus 1. 0 minus 1 is just minus 1, and since we already have a minus here, that gets cancelled out, and the answer is a square by 2a. Clear now? So I was forgetting this thing. UTB है signal में, so the limit will change from 0 to infinity. It will not be minus infinity to infinity. Here also it will change because we are not taking UT. We were not taking UT. So if you take UT, it will change from 0 to infinity. Now clear, right? So energy is coming out to be a square by 2a. Now if we calculate power also, let us just calculate power also. इसका power भी calculate कर लेते हैं, so that it will be clear whether it's an energy signal or power signal. Now power is limit t tends to infinity 1 by 2t integration minus t to t. It is a e to the power माइनस ए टी का स्क्वायर डी टी, और ये आपका हो जाएगा माइनस टी विल चेंज टू 0. ठीक है, so this is going to be our power formula. Now when we calculate it, the limits will be again t to infinity 1 by 2t. ठीक है, and we can even take out a square out, and the integration is 0 to t e to the power minus at. तो ये हो जाएगा आपका e to the power minus 2at by minus 2a from 0 to t. ठीक है, this is going to be our limit. So this will be integration is e to the power minus 2a will be again taken out. Now limit t tends to infinity 1 by 2t a square by minus 2a is also there, and this we already know कि ये आपका क्या होता है. What is it? This is what we have already calculated integration. This is if you apply t here, it will be e to the power minus 2at. e to the power minus 2at होगा यहाँ पर. This is what we have, e to the power minus 2at, and this will be minus e to the power minus 2a0. ठीक है, what is this now? Tell me इसका आंसर क्या होगा? Calculate and just tell me what is the answer of this. You people don't do at home ना, मतलब अपने पास कॉपी पेन रखा करो. मैं आपको बोल चुकी हूँ already. Signals is all about calculation, doing and solving things. Just do it from your side and give me the answer. What is the answer of this one? Yes. How much is coming? Power value कितनी आ रही है? It's 0. It's coming 0, everyone. Correct. It will be 0. The power is coming out to be 0. Correct. So we are getting energy. Energy हमारा कितना आया था? Energy was a square by 2a, right? Energy was a square by 2a, and the power is coming 0, and hence it will be an energy signal again. Clear? So this is how we calculate and we find whether the signal is an energy signal or not. Okay, now let us do another question. xt t times ut. ये है क्या एक्चुअली? t times ut मतलब क्या हुआ? ये t times ut is what signal? ये कौन सा सिग्नल हुआ? tut is what? It's t, मतलब अगर t1 है तो वैल्यू will be 1, t2 है तो वैल्यू will be 2. So and it is multiplied by ut, मतलब for all values greater than 0, for all values of t which is greater than 0. So what is it actually? T times ut is what? It's a ramp. Correct. It's a ramp signal. We define ramp in this form also. It is t times t into ut. Clear? So it's a ramp signal. Definitely we say that the signal is non-periodic. ये आपका non-periodic signal है. ठीक है? Non-periodic because it doesn't have any repetitions kind of thing. ठीक है? For t 0 to t infinity तक. 0 to infinity it is completely non-periodic. So we can if we can find the energy of it, if it is non-periodic, it will be 0 to infinity because it has ut attached to it. It will be 0 to infinity, and this becomes t square dt. क्या आएगा ये? t cube by 3 0 to infinity. The answer is infinite. Energy कितनी आ रही है? Energy is infinite. Now if we calculate power, energy is infinite, right? This one is clear. Energy is infinite, मतलब energy infinity किस में होती है? Power signal we power signal में we usually say that the energy should be infinite, right? So we have got energy as infinite value. So when we are getting energy as infinite value, let us just calculate power, whether it might be a power signal or so. ठीक है? So if you calculate power, its limit t tends to infinity 1 by 2t integration 0 to infinity t square dt. ये कितना आएगा? How much this value will be? कितनी आ रही है पावर? कितना आएगा ये भी इंफिनिटी आएगा कि नहीं? Yes, this value is also infinite. If we calculate this thing, this will not matter at all. यहाँ पर इंटीग्रेशन ही आपका ये infinite हो रहा है, and we don't have t term जिसको हम लोग कर सके, तो ये तो आपका infinity है आएगा. This value is also infinite. Now since we are getting energy as infinite value and even power is also an infinite value, in this case, this is the clear cut case of neither energy signal nor power signal. ठीक है? So this is neither an energy signal nor power signal. So this one is clear because this is we are not getting any of the finite value. Energy या power किसी की भी finite value आती तो उसके according we could have taken the decision. But here even the energy is also an infinite value, power is also an infinite value. So in both the cases energy और power दोनों infinite आ रही है, so we can say that the signal is neither an energy signal nor a power signal. ठीक है? So this is the case where we have got that if the signal is neither an energy signal nor a power signal. ठीक है? Now let's do another one. xt is ut plus u of t minus 2. ut plus u of t minus 2. So in this case ये आपका definitely non periodic है और यहाँ पर the signal is xt, it is ut and u of t minus 2 है, plus है. ठीक है? तो ut plus u of t minus 2, it will have different value. If we just plot it, यहाँ से आपका ut 0 से start होगा, this will be ut. ठीक है? It will start from 1. If you plot u of t minus 2, if you plot u of t minus 2, it will start from 2, right? U of t minus 2 will start from 2 and this will be like this. Now if we add these two, what kind of signal will we get? It will start from 1, 2, 3, 4. कहाँ से start होगा? It will start from 0 itself because at this point we don't have any signal for u of t minus 2, but still we are having signal for ut. Ut is still there. It will start from here, that is the value will be 1. Till 2 it will be just 1. Till 2 it will be just 1. Now at 2, what will happen at 2? Even this gets added up to this and the signal will increase and the value will rise to the value 2. Signal will rise to the value 2 and the signal will be like this. Till 2 it will be just 1. From 2 to infinity it will be 2. The value will be 2. Is this part clear? ये clear है कि नहीं? This one is definitely non-periodic. This one is definitely non-periodic. So if we want, we can calculate any of these things, that is either power or the energy signal. अब energy signal है कि power signal है, how can we get to know whether the signal is an energy signal or power signal just by calculating the energy and power of it. ठीक है? Let us first calculate power. Let us first calculate power of it. ठीक है? Now power is limit t tends to infinity 1 by 2t integration. Now integration we cannot take directly one integration. हम एक integration में नहीं कर सकते because we have the signals in different parts. This part has a different value and this part has a different value. So we cannot just take directly a single integration. Are you getting my point? What I am trying to say that I need to have integration in two different parts. That is from 0 to 2. 0 to 2. It will be a different value. It is just 1 dt, 1 square dt, clear? Plus from 2 to infinity, 2 to infinity, the value is 2 square dt. This part is clear, everyone? Is this part clear or not? Because we cannot directly take one integration since the signal is in two parts. From 0 to 2, the value is 1, and from 2 to infinity, the value is 2. So we have to take it in two different parts. So this part is 1 and the other part is 2. So if we integrate it, limit t tends to infinity, 1 by 2t. What is it? कितना आएगा आंसर? जल्दी से बताओ. Yes? कितना आएगा? जल्दी से बताओ. Yes, students. The answer is 2. Are we getting 2 watts for this one? Yes, everyone is getting 2 watts. So if we just calculate, we should get 2 watts for this as an answer. क्यों? क्योंकि ये आपका limit है. If we apply the limit, we'll be getting 2 watts. ठीक है? So power is 2 watts. Correct? So this is how we calculate power. We are getting power. Now if we calculate energy, it should come infinite. If we calculate energy, it should come infinite. So in that case, it will be a power signal. It will be a power signal. Okay? So that is how we calculate and we declare that it will be a power signal or an energy signal. So this is the case where we say that since it is non-periodic, then also it is a power signal. It's non-periodic, then also it is a power signal. Okay? So by this we can calculate. Now we have another question. Find the energy of the signal. This is 0. This value is -2 and this value is 2, and if this is at 0, the value is 2. We have to find the energy of the signal, and the signal is defined as x of t equals to, it is defined for this part, it will be defined as a different way, and for this part it will be defined as a different way. So if we calculate it, it will be t plus 2. It will be t plus 2 for -2 to 0, and it will be 2 minus t. 2 minus t for 0 to 2. Okay? So how do we calculate energy? It is directly asking us to calculate the energy of the signal. So just calculate the energy of the signal directly by applying the formula. Calculate and just tell me how much is the energy. Just by applying the formula, we know the formula, right? Energy, it is minus integration minus infinity to infinity. So but we'll have to take these two limits, -2 to 0, this will be the form, this will be the equation, and 0 to 2, this will be the equation. So we'll just take two integrations and then we'll calculate the energy. The formula will be energy is -2 to 0. -2 to 0, it is t plus 2 the whole square dt. Okay? And this will be plus The value is 0 to 2. It is 2 minus t square dt. How much it's coming? Calculate it and give me the answer fast. Yes, students? Calculate this thing. Calculate this and give me the answer. कितना आ रहा है जल्दी से बताओ. I'm waiting for your answer. Yes? Is anybody getting the answer? Are you doing or not? Tell me. Otherwise, I'll do it.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
Okay. Do it and give me the answer. I'm waiting. Solve the question. Just be with me, student. Then only you'll be able to understand and just revise the things. Then only you'll be able to understand and keep the thing in your mind. It's a simple integration and simple calculation. Yes? (32 by 9 आ रहा है. नहीं, 32 by 9 नहीं आएगा. Madhura, the answer is 16 by 3 joules. 16 by 3 joules. Calculate it from your side. इसको calculate कर लेना. This is not a tough one. Easily calculate हो जाएगा. Just keep the limits, apply the limits properly. You need to just expand the thing. ठीक है? इसको आप expand करोगे. Individually ये t square plus 2t plus 2 plus 4 हो जाएगा. ये भी आपका 4 minus 4 ये आपका हो जाएगा 4 minus 4t plus t square. तो दोनों वैसे ही रहेगा and then after that you'll have to apply the limits. That's it. थोड़ा सा बस expand करके उसमें limit apply करना है, integrate करके. And the answer will be 16 by 3 joules. Clear? You just need to solve it. I'm not doing it right now because this is a simple one. ठीक है? You'll be getting 16 by 3 joules. The answer will be 16 by 3. ठीक है? Now one more question of the same sort. Here I have a signal xt which is given as -4, -2, 0. Here it is 2 and this is 4. ठीक है? The value is four. This value is 4. ठीक है? And till 2 it is 4. Till 2 the value is 4. Now there's a drop at 2. Drop at 2 and it is the drop and it is constantly 2 till from -2 to +2. Then again there is a rise here and again it's going to 4 and then there is a drop at 4. So this value is 4. We have to calculate the energy of this signal. We have to calculate the energy of the signal. As we know this value is 4 and this value, the value between -2 to 2 it is 2 and from 2 to 4 again it is 4. So we have to take 3 limits from -4 to -2. That is the xt. Xt can be defined as it is 4 for -4 to -2. Clear? And the value is 2 between -2 to 2 and the value is again 4 for 2 to 4. So this is how the xt has been defined. It will have 3 different ranges, -4 to -2. This is the first range where the value is 4. The second range is -2 to 2 where the value is 2, and the third range is 2 to 4 where the value is 4. So these are the three ranges where xt has different values. Accordingly we will calculate energy of it. इसका भी एनर्जी निकालना और मुझे बताना कितना आ रहा है, ठीक है। डिफरेंट रेंज में डिफरेंट वैल्यूज के अकॉर्डिंग डिफरेंट एनर्जीज आएंगी इनकी, ठीक है। तो जस्ट कैलकुलेट द एनर्जी एंड गिव द आंसर वेदर द एनर्जी इज कमिंग, हाउ मच एनर्जी इज कमिंग, ठीक है। नाउ विल हैव वन क्वेश्चन ऑफ डिस्क्रीट, इसको लिख लो और इसको सॉल्व करके मुझे व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में रिप्लाई करना, मैसेज करना कि कितना आंसर आ रहा है, इफ एनीबॉडी हैज डन, ठीक है। क्वेश्चन को लिख लो, ऑब्टेन द एनर्जी, ठीक है। राइट डाउन द क्वेश्चन। नाउ वी हैव अनदर क्वेश्चन इन डिस्क्रीट। Find whether the signal x of n, find whether the signal x of n, which is given by n square for 0 to 3, 0 to 3 पे n square है, then 10 minus n, the value is 10 minus n for 4 to 6, the value is 10 minus n for 4 to 6, then n for 7 to 9 and 0 otherwise, ठीक है। So x of n is n square from 0 to 3, 10 minus n between 4 to 6, n between 7 to 9 and 0 for the other values. This is how we define x of n. Find whether the signal is a power signal or energy signal. Find whether the signal is a power signal or energy signal, and also find the power and energy of the signal. And we have to also find power and energy of the signal, ठीक है। तो we have to first of all find whether the signal is a power signal or energy signal by just checking the by just applying in the formula of power signal or energy signal. हम उसका फॉर्मूला में लगाएंगे and then we'll calculate the power and energy signal, और हम accordingly if we get any finite value then accordingly we'll take the decision that the signal is power or energy signal. finite value आ रही है तो किसकी आ रही है, power signal की आ रही है कि energy signal की आ रही है और कितनी आ रही है, ठीक है। So that is how we will calculate. Is this clear? So power signal or energy signal will be calculating it. It is definitely non-periodic. ये आपका non-periodic है, clearly दिख रहा है. There is no periodicity taking place in this. This is n square, this is 10 minus n, this is n. All are different. ठीक है? So non-periodic है, तो in that case क्या होगा? Non-periodic है तो energy signal. It could be an energy signal, and we can go for checking the energy of it. अब इसकी एनर्जी अगर हम चेक करेंगे तो व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर एनर्जी, समेशन n माइनस इंफिनिटी टू प्लस इंफिनिटी, ठीक है। व्हाट इज इट, दैट इज x of n square, x of n square. Again we'll apply the limits. For this the limits will be 0 to 3, for this the limits will be 4 to 6, 10 minus n के लिए, और for n it will be 7 to 9, and this we don't need to calculate again. So here we'll be having three different summations. तो ये हो जाएगा आपका summation n 0 to 3. What is it? It's already n square. n square का square हो जाएगा. Clear? Then we have plus summation n 4 to 6. n equals to 4 to n equals to 6. This is 10 minus n. 10 minus n square plus summation n7 to 9. This is n का square, ठीक है। So these are the three summations that we need to calculate. इसको भी आप calculate कर लेना, ये आपका आंसर आ जाएगा. This one is easy. and after calculations we'll be getting E as somewhere around 369 joules. 369 joules. ठीक है? So this is how we'll be calculating the energy of any signal or the power of energy signal. We can even go for calculations of the power and we can check the power कितना आ रहा है. Energy तो इतनी आ रही है, आप power भी calculate कर सकते हो. I guess the power will come out to be 0 in this case and this can be an energy signal. ठीक है? So accordingly we can calculate the energy and power for either a continuous time signal or a discrete time signal also. Accordingly, तो जो भी आपको formula दिया उसके formula पे आपको सिर्फ apply करना है and we can check the signal is energy or power signal. So that was all about the energy and the power signal. We'll be doing the another signals which are causal or non-causal signal, even or odd signals. एक छोटा सा रैपिड सा क्वेश्चनिंग सेशन करते हैं. जस्ट गिव मी द आंसर वर्बली आंसर करना. ठीक है? e टू द पावर -5t इंटू ut क्या है? एनर्जी सिग्नल है कि पावर सिग्नल है? e टू द पावर -5t इंटू ut
एनर्जी सिग्नल.
एनर्जी सिग्नल कैसे?
मैम नॉन पीरियोडिक.
It is non-periodic. ut है तो it will be an energy signal. Correct. ut minus 4. कोई और आंसर करेगा मधुरा को छोड़कर? ठीक है? ut minus 4. Anyone else? It's an energy signal or power signal? अभी हमने किया था. We just did it.
Power signal.
Power signal. पक्का?
Yes, ma'am.
It's a power signal. और एनर्जी निकालेंगे तो नहीं आएगा. फर्स्ट कैलकुलेट द एनर्जी बिकॉज दिस इज अभी हमने निकाला था तो इसमें पावर की वैल्यू 0 आई थी. कितनी आई थी? 2 वॉट्स आई थी क्या आपकी? कितनी आई थी? 2 वॉट आई थी, पावर आया था. ठीक है? नाउ दिस इज गोइंग टू बी a power signal और just calculate the energy. ये आप कैलकुलेट करोगे, इसको मुझे बताओगे. u of t minus ut minus 4 जो हमने लास्ट क्वेश्चन भी किया था. u of t plus ut minus 2 किया था, उसमें पावर की वैल्यू आई थी. बट हियर ऑल्सो जस्ट कैलकुलेट द एनर्जी फर्स्ट. एनर्जी निकालो उसके बाद आंसर करना. ठीक है? u of t plus ut minus 2 we got the power as 2 what it was a power signal. t into ut was
neither
an energy signal nor a power signal. Now if we take t square into ut, t square into ut क्या होगा? Same again, neither an energy signal nor a power signal. Again it is one of the same kind. दोनों ही एक जैसे. t square ut को इंटीग्रेट करोगे तो आपका क्या होगा? आपका ऑलरेडी उसका t स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर हो जाएगा, t टू द पावर 4 हो जाएगा. राइट? और t टू द पावर 4 का आप इंटीग्रेट करोगे t टू द पावर 5/5 आएगा. दैट विल डेफिनेटली गिव द एनर्जी और पावर एज इनफाइनाइट वैल्यू. करेक्ट? am I right or not? So it will be also neither an energy signal nor power signal.